Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Setu. So today we are discussing the solution of assignment 5 of NPTEL. Subject name is Power Plant Engineering. The last date of submission of this assignment is the 30th August 2023. So let's discuss the assignment. First question is a chart which display the information of water flow over time at a specific point is called. The right answer is the hydrograph. So hydrograph is the right answer for this question. Second question, what is the main reason of more life expectancy of hydroelectric power plant compared to steam power plant? Because the hydroelectric power plant works at low RPM and water is higher density. So low wear and tear takes place. So first option is correct. Works at low RPM because of higher density of water, therefore low wear and tear. Third question, which turbine are suitable for low heads and also called low head turbine? So here the Francis turbine is the medium head turbine, Pelton turbine is the high head turbine, Kaplan turbine is the low head turbine. So answer is the Kaplan turbine. Kaplan turbine is the right answer for this. According to specific speed, turbines can be arranged as. So Kaplan turbine has maximum specific speed, then Francis turbine, and Pelton turbine has low specific speed. So the right answer is the second option, Kaplan greater than Francis greater than Pelton, or we can say Pelton is less than Francis and Francis less than Kaplan turbine. Next question, it is a numerical question. A water jet coming out of a nozzle of 15 cm diameter strike a vertical non-moving plate with a velocity of 50 meter per second and transfer its whole energy to the plate. What will be the force applied on the plate because of this water jet striking? So for this numerical, so we have the formula rho a v square. Force is the rho a v square. So rho is the density already given 1000, area is pi by 4 d square, d is the 0.15 and v is the 50 meter per second. If you put all the values, you will get the 44.18 kilonewton. So third answer is the correct for this. Next question, for a Pelton wheel the maximum work output is obtained when the jet velocity is double of bucket velocity. So V is equal to 2U. So maximum work output, the V should be equal to 2U. Velocity of jet should be twice of bucket velocity. Next question, a Francis turbine works under a head of 250 meter and produce 5 megawatt of power. If the speed of the turbine is 300 rpm, what will be the specific speed of the turbine? So if you put the formula of specific speed of the turbine, you will get 19.57. So second option is the correct for this. Next is the numerical question. So these 8, 9, 10 question is related by this question. A large Pelton turbine works under the head of 650 meter at the distributor. The runner diameter is 1.8 meter. Speed is 480 rpm and power is the 60 megawatt and total discharge from the jet is 15 meter cube per second. There are 4 jets, each has a diameter of 0.2 meter, means 20 centimeter. The angle of deflection is given 160 degree. The mechanical efficiency of the turbine is 97%. So if you solve this numerical problem, you will get following answers. First, what is the velocity of jet at inlet of the turbine? You will get the 119.36 meter per second. Answer. Question number 9, what is the power loss in distributor nozzle assembly? You will get 33.8 megawatt. And what is the blade speed for maximum efficiency? So you will get 89.52 meter per second. So 8, 9, 10 are the questions which is related by this numerical, and the same numerical is solved by our sir who is taking the class in course, NPTEL course. So thank you students, thanks for listening my solution. So please subscribe my channel so that you will get a solution of the next assignment shortly. Thank you.